Many families out there in Michigan are impacted by autism, and sometimes they don't know where to turn to for help. In this sponsored segment this morning, we talk with Trisha Wunderlin about the services offered at Laugh and Learn Autism Therapy and how it can make a difference for those in the community. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thanks for coming in.
Yeah.
We'll start with this. Talk about what you do there at Laugh and Learn and where you're located.
Yeah, so I'm the clinical director at our Grand Blanc location. We have two clinics, one in Grand Blanc and one in Brighton, Michigan.
Well, let's talk about the different services that you offer there.
Sure. So we are an ABA company. So we provide applied behavior analysis therapy, which is an individual treatment where we work with clients and their parents on how to best support individuals with growth in socialization skills and communication skills and other independent living skills.
So it sounds like you really work with families one-on-one to make a plan, if you will. Kind of expand on those services. We're looking at some video here. It looks like you have some fun.
Yeah, so we have a parent support group that we do monthly. This is completely free for the community as well. We provide childcare and we connect our families with community resources, but we also allow the parents to kind of just share their own experience, whether they're just got the diagnosis for their child or maybe their child's almost an adult. So I think there's a lot of value in sharing those experiences too.
Sure, and talk about just your approach in general with therapy. Talk about your mindset on how you help these families.
Yeah, so we understand that, it takes a village. So we want to work with the parents. We also like to collaborate with the schools and anyone else involved in their care. So sometimes, there's an older sibling that might be helping out or a grandparent. So we want to make sure that all our values align to make the biggest impact possible.
Well, and you get to see this firsthand. Just talk about that direct impact that you get to witness.
Oh, it's a beautiful thing. So we've had many experiences where we, see a child who might engage in severe problematic behavior that makes most environments very unsafe. And we work with the family on how to teach them replacement skills to help reduce those maladaptive behavior, and it makes such a difference in their lives. They can go out in public, they can be successful in the school environment with less supports. It's just an amazing thing.
Yeah, so you see that improvement. And I'm told to ask you about Parents' Night Out. I bet that's pretty popular.
Yeah, so honestly, it's my favorite event. We do this quarterly with our parents. We understand that if you have a child with special needs, it might be challenging to find a trusted babysitter. So we come alongside you. We're a part of that village. So we invite our clients and their siblings to come in. We just have fun. It's completely free for the parents. And we allow the parents for a worry-free date night, and it's well-deserved.
Oh, that is wonderful. And I'm sure you have some folks' attention at home, so we'll show the information. Where can they find out more info about what you do?
Yeah, so check out our website. We are in the community. We host a lot of events, but we also sponsor them for autistic individuals and their families. We also have tips and tricks on our social media pages for parents. So we're on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok.
You're everywhere.
We are, and we have immediate openings at our Brighton location. But come in, take a tour with us, meet our staff, see our facilities, and learn more.
Oh, wonderful. Thanks so much for filling us in.
Yeah, thank you.